Good Friday evening to you. Richard Scott here for the forecast update. Quite a bit of rain coming up this weekend. Also going to be warm temperatures. A little bit cooler by Monday, then very mild next week. Much of next week looking quite warm for this time of the year. Here's a look at the watch warning map. Got a flood watch for all of central and west Alabama, basically Sumter, Marengo, Dallas counties, and points north. To the south of that, technically not under a watch, but understand all of our coverage area is, and that is for the potential for some flooding this weekend. As you'll see, we'll see quite a bit of rainfall. Here's a look at a radar. This recording 9:45 this Friday night. The rain, for the most part, is to the north of Interstate 20. Areas up around Gadsden getting a little bit of rain still. Coleman, Haydenville, and areas up around Hackleburg. And to the south of there, we got some drizzle ongoing in spots for places around Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, down towards Demopolis. But this batch of rain is with a warm front that is moving northward across Alabama. Here's a look from Tuscaloosa Bryant-Denny Stadium. Temperatures currently in the upper 50s outside. Wind out of the southeast at 6, and we got a high earlier this afternoon of 70 degrees. It was a warm Friday, certainly across Alabama. Showers again for tonight, but the heavy rain comes in tomorrow morning. Pretty good chance for soaker on Saturday and on Sunday. Then 70s are back next week after Monday's little cool down. Here's our satellite and radar. See the initial round of showers coming across Alabama. Rainfall amounts with this generally about a quarter-inch with that first band. More rain developing to our southwest that will quickly intensify in coverage and move in here tomorrow. Currently, temperatures are in the 50s all across central and west Alabama, pretty much at our lows now. We'll notice temperatures modifying overnight. Could be around 60 by first thing tomorrow morning. Bitterly cold air up north. Cutbank negative 13. It's incredibly cold near the Canadian border. See negative 18 there across portions of Montana. Even North Dakota got temperatures well below zero. The core of that staying well to our north, but we'll catch the southern fringe of that temporarily on Monday. That's going to be just one day where it will be a little bit cooler here in Alabama. Here's your forecast for tomorrow. This is for Saturday. Quite a bit of rainfall. Periods of heavy rain likely, so that could cause some flooding. Going to be a warm day, though. Mild and muggy. Will be in the upper 60s during the afternoon. Here's our future cast. There's that first round of rain and thunderstorms Saturday morning, and that's pretty early in the morning. That continues on and off into the afternoon. Saturday night, 9:30, still got some rain ongoing. Sunday, periods of rain expected, and some thunder with that as well. I don't think we see any severe weather out of this setup, although we will watch radar trends carefully. It just does not look like a real risk of severe weather for our local area. Now, Sunday night, the rain begins to shift southeast of our area as that cold front does move in from the northwest, and we get a little bit of a cooler air surge on Monday. Now, here's your rainfall amounts, 2 to 4 inches. I think across all of central and west Alabama. This is certainly going to be an event where we get quite a bit of rain here in the state. So 50s tonight, periods of rain showers. Tomorrow, some locally heavy rainfall at times, upper 60s. For an afternoon high, we'll be close to 70 on Sunday. Rain continues at times. Monday, we'll be in the low 60s. Some of us could be in the 50s all day, depending on where that front does stall out. Should stall out somewhere just on the south side of Interstate 59. Tuesday, going to be a warmer day, back in the low 70s, I think, for many areas on Tuesday. Wednesday, mid-70s on Thursday. Still the risk of a few scattered showers on Monday and Tuesday, but much lower rain chance compared to the weekend. And next week, Wednesday through Friday, just looking at the chance for a couple of pop-up showers. Most of us will probably be dry at that point. I still expect some cloud cover around, but temperatures certainly much warmer.